Welcome back to another video. I'm Laura and today I'm with my sister Eloisa.
Hello.
And today we'll be opening a bunch of stuff from Korea, including toys and candy.
Yes.
So the first thing that we're going to open are these really cute notebooks.
I already opened mine, but that's okay.
I haven't yet, it's still in the plastic, but I'm really excited to see them. So recently, my dad just came back from South Korea and he brought us all of these cute little things and a lot of Korean candy that I'm really excited to try out. So we're gonna try it out with you guys today.
Yep. So my notebook right here is like this little house. I don't know what it's called though. And there's some birds on top and it's green and these flowers and it's very cute. Inside it's just a notepad and where it says like the date and stuff.
Okay, so I'm gonna be opening mine. And this is also, as you can tell, another little notepad. And I really like this one because it has sort of like a rainbow sunset here. It's not very blend in, but I mean, I guess that's just a style. I like how it looks like these are, like it was painted. And then has a little house by the pond. So we searched up what these houses are called. I think this is how you pronounce them. They're called hanoks, I think.
Hanoks.
Yeah, but overall, I really like these notebooks or notepads. They're really cute, and hopefully I'm going to be able to use it a lot. So let's move on to all of the other things because we have a lot.
Yeah.
So for this next item, we're going to bring in my favorite out of everything is these little plushy bears.
They're so cute.
They're like kawaii bears, and I think I've seen them before. So while I was editing this video, I realized that these plushies are characters from BTS, which is a Korean boy band. And they are called Line Friends. And the rabbit plushie that I got is called Connie, but I decided to give it another name. You'll find out at the end of the video. But they're really cute. I have the white one.
And I have the brown bear.
And we're gonna open them out of their packages.
They have little charms too.
So I don't know what these are called, but they're really easy to get them out of the package. This is the brown bear.
They're so fluffy and soft.
They're really soft, which I like.
Okay, let's see what charms we got. I got this little cute hamburger. It's so cute. I feel like it matches the bear a lot.
I have the ice cream cone, which also matches a little bear. Or actually, I think mine kind of looks like a bunny, yeah, because of the ears. But I want to find out what they're called.
I love the cute little face on them, and they're so soft.
They have a little, on the tag, a little drawing of them. Very kawaii, too. But I really like them. They could be used as keychains, but I'm not going to hang it anywhere because it's probably going to turn black in a day.
Well, mine is brown, so I'm probably going to hang it on my school backpack or something.
Yeah, they're a bit big, though, to, like, hang anywhere. But they're really cute, just made for decoration or cuddling. I really like these.
Me too. So I named this bear Kimchi because I believe it's a Korean dish, and I don't know. Kimchi just sounds like a cute word for this cute bear. That's just the first thing that came up to my mind, even though the food is not kimchi, but whatever.
I still haven't decided the name on mine yet. I will tell you guys at the end of this video. These also remind me, I think these little characters are from a cartoon, like maybe some Korean cartoon. Also, I cannot read anything that's there except, well, it says in English at the bottom, but I think this is from a cartoon.
And I think this is a lollipop because I feel a stick. Laura, you want to choose one?
Sure. I'll choose the orange with whatever this is.
Look at this dude.
This one is so cute though. Let's open it.
Okay, let me open this one. Eloisa
How cute they are.
opened hers.
They're like lollipops.
Lollipop chocolate. That is interesting.
And I'm really excited to try this, but it smells very good.
I don't think so. I mean, it does smell like candy, but it smells a little weird.
Let's try it. 3, 2, 1. I'm obsessed.
They don't taste pretty bad. This is definitely chocolate, but inside, I'm not sure if the inside is chocolate. It does have like a fruit flavor.
It's probably like just a fruit filling, but the strawberry, you can really taste the strawberry, and it tastes very good, like unique, and not just like any other chocolate with strawberry. Tastes so good.
Yeah. If I were to rate this, I would probably rate this a... Oh, no ASMR chewing. I would probably rate this a 6 out of 10. What would you?
Probably an 8.5 out of 10. I really love it.
They're not bad, but I don't absolutely love it.
So I just tried the orange, and I feel like the strawberry is better. That's why Laura doesn't really like it that much, but they're still amazing, and I can't wait to try all the other flavors later.
Yeah, well, this is a lot of candy. But anyways, we have a lot more to go, so... Geez, Elisa really like that. So we're gonna open other packets of more candy.
A lot more.
Okay, so far we've opened 2 notebooks, 2 plushies, 1 purse, and 1 bag of candy.
I finished both of those lollipops.
Jeez. Well, we have 3 more bags of candy to go. These ones and these. We might use like some...
These are
like,
Halloween.
Yeah, these are Halloween candy. It's like if some kids from Korea came here and bought a pack of Skittles or gummies or whatever for Halloween. I got just some random CVS. And then this is like us buying all this Korean candy that they're all probably going to get on Halloween.
I feel like Korean candy is much more like fancy and better than the candy we have here, because I'm loving it so far.
If they even celebrate Halloween in Korea, I have no idea, because it's more of an American holiday. But anyways, what bag should we open first?
I think the yellow one,
The yellow one?
because let's save the Halloween ones for last.
Alright, let's open it. Oh my lord. Okay, this is a lot more than the other packet, but
I'm in heaven.
they're a lot smaller too.
And I think they're hazelnut flavored.
Yeah, they seem to have some hazelnuts because it's looked on the package. But anyways, I'm just gonna get a random one and I'm gonna try it. And this one, the red one.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna try this green one. Green and yellow one. Let's open it.
Okay. They're very small too.
Ooh, they're like caramel, I think.
Caramel.
Ooh, and they smell like peanut butter. I mean, mine smells like peanut butter.
Let me see. Oh, it's really hard. It's hard candy. Mine also smells like peanut butter. I think this is peanut butter. I don't think it's caramel. But the shape is a little
Oh yeah, this isn't hazelnut.
yeah. This isn't hazelnut. These are peanuts.
It's okay. I like peanut butter.
Okay, yeah. I don't really like peanut butter, but I feel really dumb. Let's try it. I'm kind of scared.
2, 1. They're so hard.
Yeah, they're really hard. Okay, so I think this will be the grossest candy that we've tasted so far. It tastes really gross, in my opinion. I would rate it a 2 out of 10. Let me describe it for you. So they're all basically the same. They're hard candy peanut butter. But the aftertaste is really gross. I had to throw mine out because I could not finish that thing. But they're pretty nasty in my opinion.
I give it like a 3 out of 10 probably.
Yeah, so overall I give this like a thumbs down. Yeah, we might just pass these out on Halloween because I am not going to be eating any of these anymore.
Or I'll probably just give it to people who do like it.
Yeah, or who really like peanut butter that tastes a little like carrots.
I wonder if these are different flavors, but I don't think so.
Honestly, the aftertaste kind of tastes like carrots. I don't know why, but it's very random. But I'm not sure if I'm loving these. I'm not sure about these candies anymore, but we have 2 more to go. Let's try this one now. It's one of the Halloween themed candies.
It looks like it's flavored strawberry and like peach or something.
Yeah, but last time I checked, peach was not that pink. I have no idea what that fruit even is, but I'm a little scared now after trying those disgusting
Look at the
peanut butter
wrappers.
candy.
They're like bats and pumpkins, and they're like Halloween themed.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Okay, next time I'm not taking all the candy out. Let's
They
just
smell really good. Like you can smell them from the even when they're in the wrapper.
let's see. They're a lot smaller.
I'll try a red one.
I'll try the pink one.
Okay, so Laura just said that she was scared, but I'm not because I have high hopes for this one.
Not gonna lie, I am kind of scared.
They look like Starburst.
Oh,
or something.
Starburst. Starburst are my favorite candy.
They're like soft.
Why are you playing around with it? Just eat it. Go get your Grammy
Waiting
hands
for
on
you.
them. Well, I'm trying to open it, but the packaging is so small.
You rip it
Okay,
open.
can you help me?
Yes.
I'm weak, guys. Fun fact.
Bruh. Hers is yellow.
Oh, they do look like Starburst.
Okay,
know.
let's try them. I have high hopes for this one.
Hopefully this one does not taste like peanut butter carrots.
3, 2, 1.
They actually taste really good. What do you rate them? They do kind of taste like gum or...
They're like gummies, though. They're like soft Starburst gummies.
Yeah, they taste a little bit like gum. I don't know, but... You
They're
don't like them?
a lot better than gum.
In my opinion, I don't eat gum. Fun fact.
I rate this a 7 out of 10.
Yeah, me too. I rate them a 7. It's like this. It's not all the way up. But it's almost all the way up. If you know what I mean.
I would eat this, but I wouldn't say that I could eat all these because I couldn't. But I would eat them as a snack every once in a while.
Yeah, I might eat them. I think this will be one of the only candies that I might eat out of all of the ones that we tried today.
I'm really excited for the purple bag because it is grape and apple themed. Flavored, I mean. I like the other ones, they melt in your mouth.
Yeah. They taste a lot like chewy, soft candy. So this will be the last bag for today, and the last thing that we'll be unboxing. So don't spill all of the candy like we did last time.
Okay. Let's just grab one from the bag. I'm gonna get like those teal ones.
I'll try the purple one then.
Okay. I'm also pretty excited for these because I feel like they're gonna be similar to the other ones because they look the same.
Hopefully.
Okay, I'm gonna grab a teal one.
I'll grab the other one.
I can feel them and they're pretty hard, but that's what I said about the other ones, and they were not hard. So, I don't know what any of this means, but I'm gonna open it. Ooh, mine's yellow this time.
They are a lot similar to the last ones.
They probably have different flavors.
Yeah.
Because my other one tasted something like strawberry.
Yeah, they taste almost, well, they look almost exactly the same.
Let's try them. 3, 2,
Like a deformed Starburst.
yeah. 3, 2, 1.
That's nasty.
Mine tastes a lot like apple. I'm surprised.
Well, no, not like the candy. The Eloisa's ASMR. Nasty.
No, mine tastes like green apple, and I love it.
Mine also tastes like green apple. Well, actually, no, it tastes more like grape. I think, yeah, these are green apple. These are grape.
No surprise.
Yeah, so they're basically exactly like the other candy that we just tried, but different flavors. So overall, I would also give this like a 6 or a 7 out of 10.
I would rate it 7.5.
Okay, well that's not bad. These aren't bad. In fact, all the candies were really good except for the peanut one. The peanut butter, that was disgusting, in my opinion. Yeah, we will definitely not be eating any more of those. But that's basically it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video if you've been to South Korea. And
Like this video if you want to like this video as well.
yeah, if you just like this video. Like the video.
And if you tried any of these candies or seen anything that we just unboxed.
yeah, so I had a lot of fun today. I'm trying new candy and definitely very different from what I've tried before. And I'll see you guys next time. Oh, and before I end this video, I named my bunny plushie Ducky because it means bunny or rabbit in Korean. Ducky! Ducky!